This one has some. Look at that, y'all. That one has some crystals. You see it at the bottom? And on the sides.
Yeah.
So
Welcome back to the Lucky Girls Clubhouse. We do it inside.
we are going to make some egg geodes. Egg crystal geodes. Right?
I'm using that. This. No, I do it.
And what that is, we're gonna make crystals grow inside of these eggshells. Can we see in here? I don't think it's too white to see. So today we're gonna be doing like the first half of it, and then Alea, wait. And then tomorrow we do the second half of it. So what we did was open up the eggshells. We cut them in half. I just poked a hole in each side before it was cut open, and I blew the inside out. Carefully cut each egg in half. So this is 3 eggs, and we have to put school glue. We have Extreme. It's kind of hard to squeeze this out, but we're just gonna paint some glue inside of the eggshells. Then we're gonna put some alum powder inside of that, sprinkle that all around, and then we have to let that dry overnight, and tomorrow we will be back with the next steps, right? Okay, spread some glue inside of the eggshells. The egg, okay? Because I don't want you to break it. Don't squeeze the egg. Just paint it inside. Paint the glue all around. See, Ava, you cracking it. Don't squeeze it, okay?
That's what I do.
So we got all of the glue spread out in each of the eggs. And now we're gonna take, let me see, the alum powder and sprinkle a generous amount inside of each eggshell. So let's open it. Go ahead and sprinkle, start with one. Do this one first. Ooh. Okay. And then we're just gonna shake it around. This is very white. Shake it around and add it. So you see the alum powder has stuck to the inside of the shell. You guys can see that. So the alum powder is inside and it's stuck inside of there. Go ahead.
The next day.
Yep, so it's the next day, and we told you guys we had to let the eggs dry. Don't do that. We had to let these eggs dry overnight. So again, all that's in here was glue and alum powder, which dried overnight. So those are ready to go into some food coloring. We have hot water.
But it's gonna be a rainbow.
Yeah, we're gonna try to make some pretty colors. So we're gonna take our hot water and pour it in these glasses here. We have 6 eggshells, so we have 6 different glasses. So I want y'all to stay back because this water is hot and I don't want anybody getting hurt. Perfect. We got that part out of the way.
Blue and red.
So the next step is we have to put more alum powder inside of each of these cups. So we'll take the one that's open already and then just pour this. We actually need to pour a lot. I should have poured this inside of the pot first, but I didn't. So we'll just pour that in there. Hopefully we have enough. If not, we'll have some of the eggs will be the same color if we don't. green. When you say one red, do red. Here you go. Put red in this one. All right, Ava, hold on. Go ahead, Ava. Please don't get this anywhere but inside of the cup. Go ahead and pour it in. Squeeze them in there.
I need to mix it.
All right. Stir it up. Be careful, the water is really hot. Okay. Look at that blue. Hey, you want to put some more blue? Put a little more blue. Okay, wait, because this water is kind of hot. So I'm going to put 1 egg in there.
Yes.
1 egg in there. 1 egg in there.
You gonna do all of that?
1 egg in there. And 1 egg in there. Which one should we have 2 of because we still have an extra egg? So where should this one go?
In that.
Yep, we don't have color in there. You want to do 2 red ones? We'll do 2 green ones.
What's that?
Push them down. Sink them to the bottom, girls.
I
Just
did
like
it.
good job. Here, do this one. Maybe you can do that one too.
With this?
Yep, be careful. Just push it down in there.
I did it.
Oh, wait, that one's already down. Okay, good job, girls. Okay, so now that we have our eggs soaking in the cups, we have to let these sit for 15 hours.
And we will go right back.
Yep, we'll be right back.
We have to let them dry.
Well, actually, the crystals are going to form while they're sitting at the bottom. So once we take these out, we'll be all done finally. This was kind of a long process, but it's going to be super cool in the end, right? Because we're going to have crystals that we made ourselves.
This has to
Yep, it's pretty hot.
be hot. So how you gonna take it out with a spoon?
Yep, in 15 hours. So in the morning, we can take them out. Okay?
You guys in the 15 hours.
Right, so we're on day 3. And we're finally ready to see if the crystals have grown on the eggshells. So these have been sitting for 15 hours. And we're ready to check. Yeah, we were sleeping, right?
Yeah.
Ava,
I was tired.
you were tired?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we got some crystals going on here. Are you guys ready to see?
Yes.
So let's start. Which one you want to start with? What color?
That one.
The red one, Alea's favorite color?
That one.
All right, cross your fingers. If this did not work, I don't know what we did wrong.
Ooh.
I don't see any crystals on there. Do y'all see crystals? No.
Nope.
Fail. Let's try the blue one.
I want to eat grape juice. No.
I don't know what we did wrong. We followed directions, guys, didn't we?
Yeah. How do that? No. Don't.
Fail. We're gonna have to try this again because I really wanted to see some crystals. Right?
Yeah. I think it's supposed to be this one.
That many what? It really did not work. We waited all that time and it did not work. Oh, this one has some. Look at that, y'all. That one has some crystals. You see it at the bottom? And on the sides.
Yeah.
So that one worked.
Inside.
I would want more on there. Yeah, that one worked.
And that's inside.
Yeah, don't touch them. Let's see about this one. This one has 2 eggshells in it. So this one fail. Fail. It's alright, we're gonna try again. I don't know what we did wrong, but we're gonna do it again.
Alright, about to go.
Wait, but this one worked, so I would actually want more than this. But this one actually,
Mommy, I'm gonna do it this time.
this one actually has some crystals on the inside of it. I
I'm
don't know if you
gonna
guys
be a
can
baker.
see them.
Mommy, I'm gonna be a
This
baker.
one's pretty though. I hear you, like I hear you. This one's actually kind of cool. Y'all see those crystals in there?
Yeah, it looks black.
Yeah, this one looks black. I tried to do purple with this one, but yeah, this one worked though. This one worked. Oh, y'all see those crystals in there?
Yeah. Maybe we'll buy in there. Yeah.
I don't know why this one worked and I know the other ones did.
Mommy, I put the red one on top of the blue.
This is really cool though.
I put the red one on top of the blue.
Mhm.
I put red on that
You
one.
guys see those crystals in
Look,
there?
I put the red on the blue.
I really don't understand why the other ones didn't work.
Those
But this
is
one did.
crystals. I think those is crystals. Oh, that's the power. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see our next video. Share and spread the lucky love.